Ever dreamed of a place where time seems to stand still? A hidden gem that feels like a secret only nature knows? Welcome to Playa La Mina. This isn't just any beach. It's a slice of Peruvian paradise with a fascinating history. Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a breathtaking drone tour of one of the most stunning spots in the world. So, what makes Playa La Mina so special? Let me paint you a picture. Turquoise waters so clear you can see every ripple, golden sands that practically glow in the sunlight, and rugged cliffs framing it all like a natural amphitheater. But don't let its beauty fool you. This beach has a story to tell. Playa La Mina is nestled within the Paracas National Reserve, a stunning protected area that's not only a haven for nature lovers, but also steeped in history. The name La Mina means the mine, and it's a nod to the area's past as a site for mineral extraction. While the cliffs once held treasures of ore, today they hold treasures of a different kind, jaw-dropping views and serene vibes. Fun fact: the Paracas region has been home to ancient civilizations for thousands of years, including the Paracas culture, known for their intricate textiles and mysterious geoglyphs. Like the world-famous and recognized Nazca Lines, we will have an entire new video about the Nazca Lines, so don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Let's rewind time, back to the days when this area wasn't just a tranquil escape, but a vital part of Peru's ancient trade and culture. Playa La Mina might look untouched, but its roots run deep. The Paracas civilization, which flourished here around 800 BCE to 100 BCE, left a lasting mark on this region. They relied on the ocean for fishing and even traded valuable resources like salt and minerals extracted from these cliffs. Some historians believe that the surrounding coves, like Playa La Mina, served as landing spots for boats carrying goods. Fast forward to the modern era, and the beach's natural beauty caught the attention of conservationists. Today, it's part of the Paracas National Reserve, established in 1975 to protect the region's fragile ecosystem. Fun fact: the reserve itself covers over 3,350 square kilometers, making it one of South America's largest protected coastal areas. What makes Playa La Mina more than just another pretty beach? It's not just what's above the surface, but what's beneath it that makes this spot magical. The calm, clear waters of Playa La Mina owe their beauty to the Humboldt Current, which flows along Peru's coast. This nutrient-rich current supports an abundance of marine life, making the area perfect for snorkeling. Imagine swimming alongside vibrant fish while gazing up at cliffs carved by nature over millennia. The beach's crescent shape isn't just picturesque. It acts as a natural shield, protecting the waters from strong waves. This makes Playa La Mina an ideal spot for families and anyone looking to unwind in tranquility. Fun fact: the cliffs surrounding Playa La Mina are home to ancient fossils, offering a glimpse into the region's geological history that stretches back millions of years. Ready to plan your trip? Here's everything you need to know to make Playa La Mina your next unforgettable destination. Best time to visit: November to March, when the sun is shining and the waters are warm. How to get there? Playa La Mina is a 20-minute drive from the town of Paracas. You can reach it by taxi or as part of a guided tour of the reserve. What to bring? Sunscreen, water, snacks, and a camera to capture the magic. Don't forget snorkeling gear. You'll want to dive into these crystal clear waters. Pro tip: while Playa La Mina is peaceful, it's popular on weekends. Visit on a weekday for a more secluded experience. Fun fact: nearby beaches like Playa Roja, with its striking red sand, are also worth exploring, making Paracas a beach hopper's dream. The Paracas National Reserve, which Playa La Mina is part of, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's home to a wide variety of marine and bird species. From the beach, you might spot pelicans diving into the water or even dolphins playing in the distance. For nature lovers, a visit to the nearby Islas Ballestas, dubbed the Galapagos of Peru, is a must. It's just a short boat ride away and brimming with sea lions, Humboldt penguins, and cormorants. Fun fact: the Paracas National Reserve also houses ancient geoglyphs, including the famous candelabro, a massive figure etched into the sand cliffs visible from the sea. About a 4-hour drive south of Lima, Playa La Mina is a natural treasure of Peru. But today, this beach isn't about digging for resources, it's about digging your toes into the sand. Playa La Mina is known for its clear, calm waters that are perfect for swimming and snorkeling, thanks to its location in a protected bay. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone searching for the perfect beach escape, Playa La Mina offers a little bit of everything. So are you ready to pack your bags and experience this Peruvian paradise? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if you love this virtual tour, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from around the world. Until next time, nos vemos en la playa.